So with my ticket that I got, actually it's just a warning, it stated on that warning that I had to complete these repairs in 5 days. So I better get to work on this. So I went to Walmart, and before I changed out the light bulb, I couldn't find myself a Phillips screwdriver. So I had to purchase a Phillips screwdriver first, and then remove the tail light in the back of the pickup, and look at the light, and then went back inside. Well, they have a little device there that shows the like for the lights, and for everything there you choose like the model and year of the vehicle, and then it gives you the exact model number that you need for the light. So great. I knew exactly what light I needed. Oh, there it is. That's what it's suggesting. So I was able to pick up that light as well. I changed it in the Walmart parking lot. The thing is that I have no idea if these the lights are working, because I changed the other one as well. So, they changed and they're ready to go. Other things that have happened today was my sister came by earlier in the morning, and she dropped off a bookshelf for me so I could try to get a little bit more organized, and I picked up stuff and I placed it on the shelf, and I still have a mess in my room back there, but I was able to do that. And we talked a little bit. She likes the apartment, I guess, and which kind of surprised me, because she's always kind of hinted to me, you should stop paying all this money for rent, try to own a place. For the same amount that you pay for rent, you could own your own place. And that's one thing that I am seriously thinking on right now, just to be able to own something rather than pay a landlord, or and them expecting the rent. But then again, if I owned a place, well, the bank would be expecting the rent, the payment. So what does it matter, right? But it was a good visit, and it's kind of where my sister and I, we kind of differ. She likes having things that can help her get stuff done, and I just like getting stuff done at this point in my life. Sometimes I am tempted to buy this and buy that and buy this, but I don't make it it's not a priority. It's just, there's some things that I'd like to have. I'd like to have the Kindle, as I mentioned. If I would have ordered the Kindle at the time that I first mentioned it on this vlog from Amazon.com, I'd have it by now, right? But no, I didn't order it. I want to be able to pick it up from Target and bring it home and charge it and use it that night that I work. That's the idea. It's spontaneous buying, and there's no spontaneous buying when it comes online, because you have to wait 4 or 5 days for it. So that was a pretty cool whole thing that happened there as well. Other things that I had to do, though, is I had to pick up had to make some pictures for my dad off of a digital file. First time I've ever done this, by the way. Took a picture that's in the camera. I took half the picture because this is a 3D camera. I took half the picture. Then I doubled that image in size, and then I made it proportional to a 4:6 photo. And then I put it on a SD card and took it to Walmart, and it worked out rather well. The pictures actually look really good. I don't have, so yeah, they look pretty good. So that actually today was a pretty productive day. It really was. But I still don't feel like I've accomplished a lot. Do I have stuff lined up for this channel? I mean, I'd love to get things lined up, like the Saturdays, get some animation up. It doesn't matter if it's like 5 or 10 seconds of animation. I'd like to play some animation up on my channel, and that would be Saturdays. Sundays, put some older footage, stuff that I filmed like a couple years back in 3D, and things that I haven't posted to either one of my YouTube sites yet, or any of my YouTube sites. And then on Monday, I'd like to develop a tutorial series. So I mean, when I'm actually working and I don't have much to say and I don't have time to really do anything major with the vlogs, then I can go ahead and post these things that I have prepared beforehand on the when I do have the time to do them, and then I post them for the weekend, so a lot of people would enjoy this channel. But here it is, another weekend. Do I have anything lined up for this weekend? Not a thing. So I will again report on what I need to report on, and if something comes up concerning movies or games or TVs or whatever, I'll be sure to mention it. One thing I can mention right now, maybe I should save it for tomorrow, one thing I can mention is DirecTV 3D Cinema is showing Saw 7 in 3D on Tuesday. That's the very day that it comes out on DVD. And they're showing the 3D version of it on DirecTV. Isn't that amazing? I wish I had a 3D TV, and I wish I had DirecTV. But I don't, so c'est la vie. That's the way that goes. But I'll talk with everybody tomorrow, and let you know what's happening during this weekend, and everybody have a good night.